ततः क्षीयते प्रकाशावरणम्. So if you practice pranayama properly, appropriately, then all impediments, all coverages, all covers of light, they are eliminated, and you experience that light. If you do pranayama properly and close your eyes early in the morning at 4 o'clock, you can see that light. That light is, perhaps it is 1,000 suns light, or sometimes, of course, it is ordinary light, and it is the pranayama that controls and that uncovers that light. That's all. That light is always there, but it is covered by so many items. So, but if your pranayama is well accomplished, then that cover is eliminated and you can experience that light. ततः क्षीयते प्रकाशावरणम् धारणासु च योग्यता मनसः. And dharanasu, that is what they are going to tell in the third pada. Dharana, deshabandha, chittasya dharana, fixation of the mind on some fixed point. On that, in that dharana, the capability of conducting dharana, that is gained by pranayama. Dharana suja yogyata manasaha. And then comes pratyahara. Pratyahara is the fifth component of yoga. What is pratyahara? That is explained in Sutra 54. Svavishaya samprayoge chittasya swarupanukara iva indriyanam pratyahara. Svavishaya samprayoge chittasya swarupanukara iva indriyanam pratyahara. So, if the indriyas are detached from their respective objects, then the indriyas become one with the mind or the mental tool. Of course, the immediate evolute of Prakriti close to the sense organs is mind, manas. So, these sense organs become one with the mind. So, the sense organs will be free and far away from their respective objects, and then just like the bees follow the queen bee, similarly the sense organs, sense and motor organs will follow the mind. And if your sense organs and motor organs are placed in the mind, then the sense organs have become free, as a matter of fact, and they are well placed, they have got their home. So, Swa Vishaya Samprayoge being withdrawn from the respective objects of senses, chitta swarupānukāra iva indriyanam. So when the indriyas, the sense and motor organs, they become one with the form of chitta, the mind, that is called pratyahara. So we have dealt with yama, niyama, asana, pranayama and pratyahara. These 5 components of yoga. What remains is 3 components: dharana, dhyana and samadhi. They will be dealt with in 3rd pada. So, iti tritiya pada Sri Patanjali Sankhya Pravachane Yoga Shastre साधनपादः द्वितीयः